All you need to do is just sign up to this free website in no more than 2 minutes, and you can start collecting your PayPal money again and again on autopilot, doing no work whatsoever. But since I will be going over multiple platforms some of you probably haven't heard of before, I urge you all to keep watching this video and not to try to do the work yourselves, because most likely it will simply not work and you'll just end up wasting your time. So once again, keep watching so you'll know exactly what you need to do. And with that said, let's get right into this tutorial. And as I said before, we do have multiple platforms to go over today, and by combining all of them, you'll be able to make money on complete autopilot without doing any work whatsoever. The first site you want to come to now is this one here called irazoo.com. When you come onto this website yourselves, guys, it won't take you too long to figure out what this site is all about. It's your classic make money online website. On here, you can come and get paid for downloading apps, watching free videos, fulfilling surveys, and finally, by completing offers. And I know for a fact that some of you might be thinking to yourselves, how can I make money on autopilot with this website, since you obviously need to invest some effort to get paid? Well, that's the thing. You won't. We will not be using this website to watch videos or whatever. It's worth mentioning that you can most definitely do that and get paid. This is a pretty good website that I've been to before, and I know for a fact that it's legit. But I also know for a fact that you won't be able to make that much money by doing the task they ask you to do, which is why we will be using this site in a different way. Since we won't be completing any tasks on here to make money, it's no use for me to cover all of the website's features because they're not important for us and it'll just prolong this tutorial. If you're interested in what they have to offer, you can most definitely do that, but I will get right to the point. The first thing you'll need to do once you come onto irazoo is scroll down to the very bottom of the page, and what you now want to do is click on Refer Friends right over here. That will bring you to this page. The way we will be making money through irazoo, as most of you can already figure out by now, is by referring people. And I really want you to stick with me here because this does not involve a single social media platform. I won't tell you to grab the referral link and then go to Facebook groups and share it there or whatever. Nor will I tell you to create any sort of Instagram page. Nothing like that. This strategy is unique, and I can guarantee you have never heard of it before. I will later on show you two 100% free platforms that you will use and combine with irazoo's referral program to set this up on autopilot, and you will get real traffic to your referral link without doing anything from there once you set this all up. Anyhow, take a look at this here. When someone you referred comes onto the site and signs up to it, they will receive 500 points for absolutely free. This is a really nice addition that helps a lot because now people have something to motivate them to sign up to this platform. They will actually receive free points for just signing up without doing anything basically. And this will be a huge help when you set this up on autopilot because you will be able to get far more clicks on your link than otherwise would be the case. Furthermore, you yourself are not doing anything or giving them anything. irazoo itself will reward them for signing up. This is a really good addition to the referral program, and it will allow you to, in the end, make more money because you will be able to refer more people. It only gets better from here, though. Once your referral earns their first 1,000 points by completing offers, you'll get a referral bonus of 100 to 500 points. Every referral you invite can earn you points. So when someone you refer to here earns their first 1,000 points, you will get points yourself as a complete bonus, further boosting your income. This is yet another awesome feature of irazoo's affiliate program, and this will actually happen most of the time, because when you refer someone to a make money online website like this, they will of course try and make some money with it. And when they do, you will do so as well, so everyone wins. Yet another awesome feature of irazoo's affiliate program. How many points exactly will you earn per set amount of people referred? You can see right over here. 5 people is 2,500 points. Meanwhile, 80 people would amount to 40,000 points, and so on. Even though it may seem unrealistic to get over 80 referrals, guys, I will later on show you a website that gets millions of visits per month, and from where you will be able to get traffic on autopilot and make money online completely passively. Before we get to that site, though, you will first need to sign up to iRazoo's affiliate program. To do so, just click on Start Referring over here. That will take you over to this page here, where you will either be able to sign up via Facebook or by entering your email address and password in these two boxes, and then clicking on the Sign Up button just below. Either way, though, once you sign up to iRazoo, you will now be able to grab your referral link. And it's this link that you now need to get traffic to in order to make money online in passive income. And I will now show you how you can set this up automatically to earn money. The first site you will need to go to is this one here called Pexels.com. Some of you could have heard about this platform from some of my previous videos, but if you haven't, this is basically a place where you can find photos and videos on just about anything, and you can use all of the media on this website both free of charge and free of copyright, making it the perfect website for us to use. And yes, I know it sounds confusing as to why we are using this website, which is why you want to keep watching, as it will all make sense soon. Now, what you need to do on this platform when you come on here is you want to click on Videos here. And what you will now want to do is search for videos that are related to business, finance, and make money online in general. In my case, I just search for the keyword money so I can show you what you need to do. From here, just pick any one of these videos, find one you like, and download it to your PC by clicking on the arrow icon right here. And once you do that, it's now time for you to go over to the last website I will be showing you today, one that will actually get you traffic. The site in question is imgur.com, and what this website basically is a social media platform of sorts. On here, you can find both images and videos that are related to just about anything. And the media shared on this website gets huge numbers because, as you can see on this website, Imgur gets over 250 million visits on a monthly basis, meaning that if you post something on here, views are basically guaranteed. The first thing you'll need to do on here, though, is sign up. To do that, just click on the Sign Up button in the upper right corner, then enter in your username, email, password, and phone number, and click on Next to finish the process. Or you can just sign up via one of these platforms, which is, of course, much faster. Either way, when you log in, this is how everything will now look. And what you now need to do is click on New Post up here and select Choose Photo Video right here. And what you will now do is upload that video of yours over from Pexels.com. Once your video uploads, what you need to do then is add a description and a title. You can title it something along the lines of "Get paid to watch videos for free," and in the description, you will want to write in something like I have here. Sign up to this site for free and get 500 points, which you can redeem for cash. You don't have to type in these exact words and phrases, just something similar, and you will then leave your referral link right next to that in the description. And thanks to the sheer popularity of Imgur, the fact that it literally gets millions of visits, you will now be able to make money on complete autopilot from here. When people see the word free, it grabs their attention. And of course, whenever some of them sign up to iRazoo, and many of them will, you will get paid. And you will continually get paid from new visitors to the website on autopilot, just like I promised you in the beginning of this tutorial. If you want more videos with different strategies to make money, then be sure to click on one or both of the videos that should pop up on the screen in just a moment. And with that said, if you liked this video and you want more like it, be sure to leave a thumbs up below in appreciation. And if you haven't already, you really want to subscribe to my channel and tick the bell icon so you get notified as I upload Make Money Online videos on a daily basis. As always, thanks for watching, and see you all soon in the videos that are to come.